Debate Committee. I'm Leah Patel Lady. I'm Hita Kulkarni. I'm Srishti K. Desai. And I'm Siddhi Mandri.
And we'll make it so that we can know your capability of being a leader.
First one goes to the school captains. How do you plan to foster inclusivity and diversity within the school community, and what steps will you take to ensure all students feel represented and valued?
We can plan various events wherein we include all the students. We can ensure both academic and extracurricular activities planned there, and we can even appoint special posts within the groups so that each one of them feels represented and they feel valued. They all can express their thoughts and view, and none of them will be felt left.
What is your stance on student involvement in decision-making processes within the school? And how do you plan to engage with the student body to gather feedback and ideas?
Organizing events and competitions, we can ask opinions of various students about what they are interested in, so that we can include them in the events and competitions. This will give each and every student an opportunity, and they'll get an opportunity to showcase their talent, which makes them feel included and represented. Thank you.
How would you handle disagreements or conflicts within the team, and what steps would you take to resolve?
First, I would like to know their opinions why there is a conflict, and then obviously there would be like a different viewpoint of each of them. They would have different opinions. Why? So I would make sure that to know before saying anything or before answering them, I would know why there is a conflict, and then try to solve it so that they will be happy with the result of the solution.
How do you plan to encourage teamwork and cooperation among teammates if you are elected as a sports captain?
First of all, I encourage all them, even the players who are not that much skilled in that game, I encourage them to play in a fun manner. Never cheat anyone for winning. Enjoy the game. Winning and losing doesn't matter in all the games. Participating is important.
House. So your question is, what strategies do you use to ensure that your messages are understood and well received?
Just as we know, every student is different, and the way they respond to what we say is also different. So instead of using the old traditional one method, I'd like to use various methods, unique methods which are appropriate for each and every student. As someone with a sports-centered mentality, I would go with an approach which pleases them, like adding them to a game, an opportunity in a game which helps them to take up the opportunity.
How do you describe your communication style? Is it liberal or rigid? Are you very strict, or are you in consideration with the students?
So, as a leader, you should know how to, communicate with your house members. You cannot be too rigid, or you cannot be too soft with them. You need to know the right way to communicate with them, so that they can contribute more positive points, which helps the house to become the best possible.
The major thing what I felt that questions are very appropriate. First of all, sometimes we need motivation to think. So questions are framed for you to think. When you are thinking and you are communicating this, what you are thinking about that, you are pondering. More you are pondering, you are becoming serious about each question. A leader can won anything by fluke, but a leader will remain in a leadership or retain his leadership qualities if only the leader understands what the power of the position is. Power of the position is very important. You could be a school leader, a house leader, or a sports leader, but you need to understand that you will be remembered for many years in everybody's mind that he or she was my leader. And that's the thing, they will be captain, she was my sports leader. So it may sound a very small thing. 2024-25, I was the leader. But you could have done a lot of things. One person told that I want to retain the cup. because it is the 20th year. How we connect with the bigger picture? Some of you told that you want to tell them about discipline. What exactly you meant? You meant to say that you want to reduce the negative points. That's the winning stroke for any house. If your negative points are under control and it is becoming zero day by day. One of you told that I will be approaching each member and I need to understand that I cannot be too liberal and too strict. These are all leadership qualities, what you are all talking about. So I know that any one of you, if you are the chosen one, the other person also will be a good support for you. It's like a teamwork all the time. One person cannot lead the show. You need the huge cooperation, you need huge motivation from each other.